There is a second way to look at this question, though. Unless our retainer agreement says otherwise, more than likely, your case is not going to be a flat fee case. And that means that there's no way for any part of our team to estimate or even guess at how much will be your total out of pocket to resolve your case. And that's simply because there's the person factor that's involved. We don't know what exactly will twist and turn and happen in your case. We don't know how fast or how slowly you will respond to our request for information. We don't know how fast or how slowly or what will be required to get the other side to respond as well. We don't know if you all will come to a quick resolution or if we will end up needing to take things to trial. So therefore, we cannot begin to opine or guess the total out of pocket that you will spend. What we do know is that as you go through the case, we will continue to stay in communication with you. We will let you know if your retainer is running low. We will let you know if you need to replenish your retainer. And at any time, you are able to say, Lisa, I'm unable to replenish my retainer, and you will have one last meeting with your attorney so that your attorney can go through all of your options and sort of give you the last little tidbits of advice that they can. We always believe in setting up our clients for success, even if our clients have come to the end of the road with us, because you are still part of the Knox Law and Mediation family. There is a second way to look at this question, though, because the question specifically is, how much is this going to cost me? And the true answer is that outside of attorney's fees, it may cost you a lot, depending on whether you go through with the actions or not. For instance, if this involves seeing your children and building a relationship with your children, well, if you choose not to move forward with your case, it may cost you everything, up to and including such a relationship with your children, which could affect you for generations, and it could affect your generations. In the same instance, it may cost you time and heartbreak to move forward without making a change or doing a change. Further, if you are unable or unwilling to come to a resolution, it may cost you a lot of emotional damage as far as going to trial unnecessarily in a way that could be prevented if you decided to retain legal representation. And not to mention, if you get into an agreement without legal representation and you end up unknowingly, unwittingly giving up or waiving part of your rights, or allowing yourself to be responsible for maybe more than you should not be, that will also be costly. So it's not just an upfront cost that you have to consider. You also have to consider the back end cost of what happens if you do not seek and achieve and obtain legal representation. Now, if you would like to speak with someone about how you could possibly pay for legal representation, or, what costs would be required for your case up front, then please give us a call at 813-447-3001, and we will give you the true story and thought on it, and you will then be able to make an educated decision on how you want to move forward. Okay? Thank you.